So let's put together a sample how-to video using WeVideo as our editor. And so when you go to wevideo.com, go ahead and sign in with your Google account. And when you do that, if you're signed into a Chromebook, you should have that already logged in there. And when you come into here, it might ask you the first time if you're a student or a teacher, choose student, answer the questions, but you should eventually get to your dashboard here, and we want to create a new video in here. Now, we'll leave this in the standard horizontal format because that matches the video that I have from a video camera. We will need to upload the media that we need for our project, and I have that put in here to Google Classroom, and if you click on those, you can download them. You can see at the bottom, I've downloaded them here in Windows. And so what I want to do here is click on this plus sign down here in the corner to import those, and then browse, and then you want to go into your downloads folder, and from there upload. You've got two video footage files and then also this audio file. You can upload each of those and get those started. So what we're going to do here is take this video that's been created of me tying a tie, and we're going to take that footage and cut it into clips, add in the audio, and from there we will add text onto the screen, put transitions at the beginning, at the end, and all should be about 30 seconds in length. This will be a good example for what you're going to be doing for your how-to video. And if you're working from home, you can edit this footage in WeVideo and get that exported and get that done. So you can see here, these are coming in. I'm going to let that finish up, and then we're going to get into the editing. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard where I have my video. So I want to make sure I'm making a new video here. And you'll see that footage is coming in here, and I'll show you how to bring that in. So in here we have two video tracks, and we have a couple audio tracks in here as well. Down the bottom right-hand corner, you can zoom in and out on your timeline. You have a playhead that allows you to scrub, and you can see your media that's in here. So up at the top, we have the media, our files. We have a place that we can add text, and we can also put in transitions. So we just want to see, I'm not going to make the entire video today, but I want to show you how that works. So if I bring in, I have this footage here. If I have this clip here, I can trim out the parts of it that I want. So let's say I just want this piece right here where I hold the tie in front. Let me just bring this in and have this clip here. There's what I want right there. Drag that clip down. Let me see if I can get that to come in here. Let me see there. Yeah, there's that clip right there that I've trimmed. Okay, so once I have that clip down in here, I can go to the edge of this and I can trim it even more. So I say I want to get that exactly the way that I want in there. And again, you can zoom in and out to make those clips bigger or smaller. And so if I come back to this footage here, I probably need to get another piece. I think it starts with me just with my tie on. So I can move the in and out points there. About like that. And let's bring that down into here. And I can start putting these clips in. So that's the basic idea of reproducing. Oh, let me see that. That goes there. Yeah, perfect. And so you want to go through that process. Build all of that on the video one track. Once you have that done, you have all the footage that matches. The next step is to bring down the audio. So this audio track comes into here. I think it's just about 15 seconds long, so you can bring it down twice and just start putting your clips in. Once you have all the clips cut in and put down here on the video 1 track, we need to add in some text. So go to text and avoid using anything with motion. Go down to static and just grab this basic text, and you want that to go into video 2. So if you want that to say something like how to tie a tie, I think you have to come in here with this little pencil tool to come into the editor, and we say how to tie a tie. Now, you can play around with the different fonts. Obviously, if you can't get the exact same font that I use, that's okay. Get something that's similar. You can play around with the size and get that the way that you want. And then you can trim this down to whatever length that you want and move these. So this is called a superimpose text. That'll be your next step. And then once you have all of those pieces in, then the last thing that you can do is add in your transitions. This video starts and ends at black, so if I go over to transitions, I see a dip to black. I can drag that right down onto the beginning, and you'll see it'll start that, and then it'll bring that up from black. And then at the end of my clip, I would put that on there as well. We're looking for a 30-second how-to video. When you're done, you can click Finish, put in a name, and then you can do the export button here, and you'll be able to download that file and turn it in. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.